Most people are still trying to do affiliate marketing like it's 2019. They're spamming Amazon links, dropping DMs, or posting random TikToks, hoping that one of them magically goes viral. And that's exactly why most people fail. Because the truth is, affiliate marketing has changed massively. And 95% of beginners are still stuck playing the old game. But if you know what's actually working in 2025, then this is hands down the easiest way to build an income online. So in this video, I'm going to show you the 3 biggest shifts in affiliate marketing right now, why most people are missing them, and how you can ride the wave to actually make money. And stick around to the end because I'll give you a free resource that shortcuts the whole setup. Also, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. I release 2 videos a week to help you build an income online. Let's start with the first shift, which is the death of low ticket affiliate offers. For years, people pushed Amazon products for pennies in commissions. A $10 Amazon gadget at 3% commissions gets you 30 cents a sale. You'd need 333 sales a day just to make $100. That's insane. You'd always be fighting an uphill battle trying to make money like that. In 2025, the winners are focused on 2 things. The first is digital products with strong commissions, ideally 50%, things like courses, tools and templates. And the second is reoccurring subscriptions, things like software memberships that pay you monthly. Here's why this matters. One sale of a $100 digital product at 50% commissions pays you $50. That's the same as selling 167 $10 Amazon gadgets with 3% commissions. Now imagine stacking a subscription on top of that. Even a $30 a month tool at 50% pays you $15 every single month. Add 100 people and that's $1,500 a month in reoccurring income. So the old model of grinding for pennies is out. And the new model is quality over quantity and leverage over hustle. So if you want to win in 2025, then pick offers that actually pay you properly. The second shift is where most beginners get destroyed. And that's in the way that platforms push content has changed over time. Back in the day, you could post a viral TikTok pointing to your link and get flooded with sales. But not anymore. The algorithms have changed and gotten smarter over time. So in 2025, here's what actually works. You want to use short form content for reach. So TikToks, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels. These are great for getting people curious. Then use long form content for building trust through YouTube videos, podcasts, even email newsletters can work really well if done correctly. This is important because this is where people decide whether they trust you enough to buy. And finally, the glue holding it all together is your email list. If you don't have a funnel collecting emails, then you're building on sand. Algorithms change, accounts get banned, but once someone's on your email list, you can reach them forever. As an affiliate marketer, your list is your highest leveraged asset. So here's the updated flow that you should be using. First, post daily short form content solving micro problems in your niche. Second, send viewers to a freebie link. This is your opt-in page for your funnel. Then, once they're on your list, nurture them with emails and long form content. And finally, promote your offers to them. Think of short form content as the spark, long form content as the fuel, and your email list as the engine. And remember, don't overcomplicate it. Pick one short form platform and one long form platform. That's it. If you try and do 5 at once, you'll burn out fast, especially if you're doing it all by yourself. Now, in 2025, attention is still the currency, but now it's all about depth as well as reach. The third big shift is authenticity beats flash. Look, people are tired of gurus flexing rented Lambos and popping up on your feed with endless sales pitches. It all screams scam. What people actually respond to in 2025 is relatable authenticity. That means talking directly to the pain points that your audience are feeling. Like being broke or stuck in a job that they hate or unsure where to actually get started. It means sharing your journey, not just pretending that you've made it. And it means showing value in bite-sized, useful content that people can actually use right away. When your content feels like advice from a friend rather than a sales pitch from a guru, people will trust you. And when they trust you, they'll buy from you and from your recommendations. So in 2025, the flashy stuff is out and the real value-driven content is in. So affiliate marketing in 2025 isn't about Amazon links or random TikToks. It's about picking high-value digital products and subscriptions that are right for your audience, using short-form content for reach, long-form content for trust, and your email list for sales. And always leading with authenticity rather than flash. That's the formula that's working right now, and it's exactly what will carry you to your first $100 a day, and then your first 10K a month, and way beyond that. Now, the truth is, you can figure all of this out on your own slowly, or you can shortcut the whole process. I've put together a free affiliate starter pack. It gives you the exact templates, funnel pages, and tools that you need to launch fast. There's a link to that in the description below. Also, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below. I release 2 new videos a week to help you build an income online. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.